We have a question from Nika. It says, if the scion is outgrown by the rootstock, could it be regrafted on the same rootstock? Let's try to answer this. This is an example of a scion that is about to outgrow the rootstock. As you can see, the rootstock is too small and the scion is too big. If this is the case, then you can still use this rootstock if you take micrografting. You do a micrografting, just take one small part of this and then regraft onto this rootstock, provided that the rootstock is still healthy. If your rootstock is this fat, this thick, and this healthy, it will take time for the scion to outgrow this one. So it's best to choose a fat, thick rootstock because it will live longer than usual. While this one, as you can see, this scion is about to outgrow this rootstock. The rootstock is so small, and even if you regraft this one, it it's the scion is still too big to be regrafted onto this. So this needs to be regrafted onto a bigger, wider, or fatter rootstock. So it really depends on the situation. This one, I have grafted this one onto this very thick rootstock, and I'm very sure it will live longer than the other ones that I have grafted on the thinner rootstock. So if you want to reuse a rootstock, we need to assess the situation. If the scion is not as big, wherein the rootstock can still support the scion, then you can use the same rootstock, just cut it and regraft. But if the case is similar to this, then you can regraft micrografting. You need to cut a small part of this and graft onto this, and the whole big scion must be regrafted on a bigger rootstock where it can support this big rootstock.